Also updated, we got a new Triage. This is the 917 Triage. So folks who are fans of the Triage will notice there's a drop point blade in this manual folding Triage. We updated the steel to S30V. This, of course, aimed more at law enforcement folks who want more than just a sheep's foot. So we gave them a drop point, S30V steel blade. Still got the same hook. And of course, we changed up the handle profile. No longer do we use peel ply on the 917. It is a contoured G10. So a lot of the chamfering that we added actually benefits in the carbide tip that allows individuals to be able to, if you need to use the carbide clip in opening, basically smashing a window, the chamfering actually gives you a better opportunity to make contact with carbide to glass, thus breaking the window.